Hi, in this video I will give you some introduction to Power BI. So for me, Power BI is an ecosystem because it is not only consists of desktop software, but it also have services on the cloud and connectors, so that you can build interactive reports and generate insights from that. And Power BI enable you to connect to multiple data sources. For example, your text file, your spreadsheet, or the databases. So usually you will start your work by developing your report in Power BI desktop. Then you will publish your report into the cloud, so where they call it Power BI service. And if you have configured the mobile layout of your report, then you can also use Power BI Mobile to view your report using the mobile app.